Chronometrics. We have seen how to configure the chronometrics of a process in previous videos. We are going to go now to Structure, Processes, the process we were working on. And here, as you can see, we can see the chronometrics, and these are the chronometrics for the whole process. Okay? So let's go and change a few things, okay? Because here we have it 15, but as we can see it now, we are just gonna change it to 5 and the alert to 2. Save. This is the control duration for the processes, okay, of this class, but we can also add duration control to the tasks. So if we go here, we can see chronometrics here, okay? Duration control, no, yes. We're gonna say yes and add natural minutes, manual, so 3, alert, I'm gonna 1, and then add addressee process administrator. Save and save and exit. Let's go to my tasks now and let's start 3 processes so we can see the chronometrics later on. So let's add some data. Chronometrics test 1, start. Another one. Chronometrics test 2. And another one. Chronometrics test 3. And start process. As we can see, we have the 3 of them here, okay? We have received the task. Chronometrics 1, 2, and 3. So let's go into Chronometrics 2 and let's finish the task. And now we can go to Reports, Chronometrics, status run isn't finished, calculate alerts and alarms, yes, and proceed. And as we can see, okay, this is the one we have already finished. And it says finish okay because it was on time. If this is a positive number, it's that I did it on time. Okay, if it was negative, it's that the process didn't finish on time. Here we can see the previous processes, the ones that finished already, okay, the ones that finish in alarm, the ones that finish on time, the ones that are still running. We can see the 3 that we have created today, like we have started today. 1 is already finished. And if we proceed, okay, they're running okay still. If we wait, we can see how these will be changing into alert and alarm, okay? We can see the processes, but we can also see the tasks. As we said before, we can set up chronometrics for the processes, but also for the tasks, as we did with personal task 1. These filters are really useful because we can, for example, go to tasks and see them, okay? Here we have chronometrics test 3 is in alert, and number 1, as we finish it, we started it before, is already in alarm, okay? The second one, as we finish it, is okay. So this is really handy to see how the process is going. And as you can see, okay, now chronometrics test 1 is already in alert. Let's go now to the workflow. And we can see we have been receiving the different notifications, okay? And we will get alarm and alert notifications too in a minute. If we go back to reports here and proceed, we can see that they are both now in alert, okay? My tasks. We proceed. Now we can see that we have here the alerts and the alarms. So if I click here, I can see alert threshold has been exceeded in this process, okay? And if I go to the red ones, the alarm ones, I have warning, expire date, alarm limit has been exceeded in the task. As we can see, we can configure Chronometrics to control the duration of the process and also the tasks. Okay, so we are gonna get notifications for both, like for the processes and the tasks, alerts and alarms. We can also check the Chronometrics reports to see where the process is at and where we can filter through all the stages. Okay, now it's your turn to do part 8.